Hey everyone, so just went out to my mailbox and I got my charms from Stiffy, who's roasted the wine glass charms on your paper pantry. Sorry, I thought I opened it, but I didn't. Here's a little thank you bundle of white roses. Thank you. Didn't have to do that. Okay. So these are from Tilly. Not looking at that yet. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. And a wine glass. By the sun, it's like a little cocktail on there. How cute. Don't want to clean it. There it goes. Tricky. We have from Loretta. Thank you, Loretta. Isn't that cute? Look at that. That's the charm up there. Thank you, Shrinky-Dink. Plastic. And then there's one here. Also in Shrinky-Dink. And then there's a little cute one. Look at that. That's awesome. Thank you, Loretta. And Tilly. This is from Kim. And Tube Scrapping Down. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Looks like she drew the balloons like an acetate. I wonder how she did that background. It's awesome. I don't know. But look at the charm. I'm impressing off with the tag. I'd have been happy with the tag. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Little, looks like clay. Hang on. Sorry, I don't know if you can see it too. That is beautiful. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And, oh. I don't know who this is from. Stiffy, if you watch this, do you know? Is it meant to be attached to another one, or I don't know if I look back at your videos, but whoever did, thank you. I love it, it's so cute. It's a little foil bone or something, and cut down the chalk. So cute. I remember Steffi showing this one. You're the bee's knees. Katie said thank you so much, Katie. This is so cute. Look at the little glass bee charm. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. And it was a summer theme for it. So, last but not least, this is Tasha. Let's go to Tasha. Another little box, isn't it cute? Sorry, I'm screaming. Should have set up the tripod, but I didn't. I was excited. I had to get it open. I remember these ones too. Look at this. This goes like at the blue. I'll have to have a glass of wine tonight and have them up the side of it. I won't be able to pick which one to use. This is hammered. That's awesome. Thank you. And look at these, isn't that pretty? That is gorgeous. Thank you so much, everybody. I just love them to bits. Little seahorse. I love this paper too. It's like felty sort of feel to it. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Thank you girls all so much. I love them all. This one, Lovers Group, has been so fun so far. I've already started next month. It's a wine bag that can either be material or paper. And I've made the bags. I just have to decorate them up and stuff now. So get over to Your Paper Pantry if you're not already and sign up because the girls are fantastic. Steffi is a great host and is a lot of fun. So gives you an excuse to have a glass of wine. So thank you so much, everybody. Bye until next time. See ya.